These things feel good walking, like a tight little grip sock. What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. This time I'm at the Glendale Galleria once again to go check out a few stores. I'm looking for something in particular, and I'll let you guys know more about that throughout the video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. Smash the like button, share the video, and just have a great day wherever you are, man. Let's get it. First place we're gonna check out is Foot Locker, then Finish Line, then but we're gonna go with Foot Locker first, see what's there. If you see anything, make sure you let me know in the comment section. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new, you dig? Jordans, I'm trying to think and see what it could be. I seen one shoe that I might wanna get. Let me see. Oh, it was this shoe here, because for some reason, she likes these PHARRELLs, but they don't have the all-white colorway. So I'm gonna go look around for some more spots and see if I can find something that I know she wants. I think she liked those too, but I don't know. So I went to Foot Locker. It wasn't nothing really in there. That's why I had to get up out of there. We're not trying to be at the mall all day. I got a few more stops to make, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and check out. There's a Shoe Palace, there's a Finish Line, there's a Adidas store, there's a Kids Foot. There's a few different stores, maybe like 6 or 7 stores. I'm gonna go through them and see if I can find something, pick out a shoe, and then be out of here, man. So hopefully you enjoy the video, leave comments, and all that good jazz, you dig? These are the shoes they have in the sizes that I'm looking for. We're trying to see if I can find anything I want. We looked all over for these, for me, but we're not here for me today, and these are kid sizes. These are the PG 2.5, the Fresno States. Those are pretty dope. A lot of people were looking for those. You couldn't find those too many places. Oh no. I don't know if she said she liked these or not. These are $49. These are not bad. So we're gonna hold this one, might be one shoe so far. I found 2 potential shoes in Kids Foot Locker. So let's go ahead and check out my other options before we decide to pick on one. These ones are fire, bruh. These are the Paul George 2.5. We just seen that before at the Foot Locker. What do you guys think about these, man? Are these a copper pass for you? Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. These are fire, bro. Let me know what you think about these. All of the PG2s and PG 2.5s. Out of this section right here, which one do you guys feel is the best one? What's your favorite colorway out of the ones you guys see in front of you? I might have to go with the ACGs, the 2.0s, and maybe with the it's a tie between the Fortnites and the Fresno States. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. It's funny, bro. I went to like a few different places and haven't seen them. Now I can go to like 2 places and see both of them right here. You got the 90s and the 80s. What do you guys think about these, man? With the Year of the Monkeys, these are fire KYRIEs. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. They're all dope, but these ones are probably the best ones in my opinion. So let me know what you guys think about that. Do you guys agree? The 90s one is fly too, bro, but it's too white for me. I don't know if I can rock with these. 120 price point, as you guys know. The bottoms are fire. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Tell me your thoughts on these Adidas, looking like rave runners right here. $100 price point. Pretty fly though. Let me know what you think about these in the comment section below. Got the 3M popping on there. Not too bad a shoe, bro. Not too bad a shoe. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? These are pretty dope, man. Air Max 97. This colorway is not too bad. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below, bruh? These are pretty fire. The price point is not bad. I like what they got going on with this one right here. Let me know what you guys think about these though. Something dope for the ladies, but I don't know if she would rock with these. These are fire. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? These Pumas right here are pretty dope. These are for women. So guys and women, let me know what you guys think about this. This is copper knot. These are fire in my opinion, man. The materials they used on here, the engraved or stitched in Puma on the side, this is fire. Let me know what you guys think about these. What do you guys think about these bad boys? I've never seen them before. The Zoom Fly FK. This colorway is not bad at all, bro. 160 price point. Is it worth it? Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section, bro. These are not bad. The colorway is pretty fire. That's why I picked them up. They have those, which are pretty dope. And then these right here, bro. What's going on? What is going on? 180 for Zoom Page 35 of turbos. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below, bro? These are fire. The color combination is dope. It's a light shoe. I like the little yellow or orange strip, whatever that is going up the middle. That's fire, bro. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these in the comment section below. So far I went to like 4 stores. I've seen something at Kids Foot Locker, and I've seen one shoe at Champs. We got Foot Action to try. I'm not too sure about Shoe Palace. I don't know if I'm gonna go to Shoe Palace, but let's see what's up. Hopefully you're enjoying the video. Let me know if you guys seen anything in here that you like that I might have missed. And now we're about to go up to Foot Action right now. These ones right here are pretty fire too. The Just Do It kind of flipped around. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Are they doing too much with the Just Do It or no? Let me know. These are 130, very dope. Not too bad. I think I would pass on them, but the shoe is still pretty dope. Let me know what you guys think about these bad boys in the comment section below. Just do it, you dig? What do you guys think about these, bro? These some other type of Barclays right here. You guys know about these? These are fire, bro. 150 price point. Oh man, I don't think, man, these are actually really clutch, bro. Classic right here. Let me know what you guys think about these. Do you guys like these shoes? Are they fire or ugly to you? I think these are dope, bruh. I hope these are sitting around a little bit later. I gotta grind some more so I can get these for myself. These are fire though. Let me know what you think about these in the comment section below. These are not bad. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? Did you guys pass on these when they dropped or what? Fire shoe, man. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? Freezing cold. That's how we already know. Not too bad, bro. I like these right here. They also have these here. I'm here at the Chic inside Glendale Galleria. They have these on deck. These 13 International, super fire. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? Did you guys cop these or not? Chic here has a lot of good shoes. You see they got International 3s, International 12s. He got game, or the last shot, or he got games. He got games. Let me know what you guys think about this stuff you guys see here in the comment section below. A lot of good shoes here. I like these Air Force Ones. Even though I'm not a fan of Air Force Ones, these are pretty dope. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below, bro? Not too bad. They almost look like some off-whites, don't they? Shoe right here is dope. It's an all-white shoe. This might do the job. I don't know if she's gonna like that middle part right there though. Crazy. So I found something I think will work. I found something I think will be good. Hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully she likes it. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section once you guys see it in the video. And I think I'm gonna get her reaction in this video here. So just stay tuned for that. Smash the like button. Let me go ahead and look at one more store and then I'm about to be out, you dig? These right here are pretty fire, bro. It's like the same blue as my shoes. What do you guys think about these? Did you guys cop these? They had 3 different colorways. The blue suede to me was probably my favorite. This orange right here is pretty dope too, but yeah, I think this is probably the best. No, the blue one's the best one. Did you guys cop those or not? I'm here at the Foot Locker, Foot Action, and they have these ones too. I've never seen these ones right here. Have you? Let me know what's up with these, with the zipper, no laces. Are they taking after the Fresh Princes that just dropped with no laces? What do you guys think about these in the comment section? Do you guys own a pair? How comfortable are they? I mean, ones are usually comfortable, so these should be. It's just totally different without some laces, bro. That's definitely different. They got them in black and they have them in a white and red colorway right there. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Another pair of the Eddie Jones. Y'all don't know about these, man. They look kind of weird, but they also look pretty dope. You guys own a pair of these or like them, let me know. 109, they're on sale. These are fire though. These are pretty dope, bruh. I know I said I was done, but I see these human races here at the Adidas store in Glendale Galleria, man. What do you guys think about these? 150 price point. This location only got the white ones. The worker here has the black ones. These are not bad, bro. Continental bottom, boost on the midsole. What's going on, man? These seem kind of simple, but they are pretty cool at the same time. They look pretty much like an Ultra Boost, but very cool, man. What do you guys think about this? The overall consensus Is this a cop, pass, fire, or trash? Do you guys own any one of the colors? Looks just like an NMD, just a little bit different. Or not an NMD, looks just like an Ultra Boost. If you put them side by side, the silhouette is very, very similar, except for the caging, the boost area. This one looks pretty much the same, except for the Ultra Boost is a little more curved up. This one's a little more flattened out, like a James Harden, the basketball shoe. Fire shooter. What do you guys think about the human races? Is the hype dying because they're sitting in the stores? Normally these things will be gone in like 2.5 seconds, bruh. 150 price point. Inside of the collar looks bad, though. Not too bad at all. They got some parlays on sale. Just want to throw that in there for you guys if you guys are interested. I seen these other shoes right here too, bro. These ones are fire. Let me know what you guys think about these Adidas basketball shoes. Looking a lot like the Crazy 8s, the silhouette. But these are dope. They're pretty light. 120 price point. What do you guys think? Are these worth the size? I mean, these might be the same price as KYRIE's. I wouldn't doubt it, man. I would not doubt it. I mean, they are the same price, but I think they might be worthy. It's a light basketball shoe. The colorations is pretty dope. The fabrics and materials they use on here is nice. Let me know what you guys think about this. This is a copper pass. Let me know. They got them in a white colorway also, and they have another type of basketball shoe, which I'm not really into how it looks. But yeah, man, I just want to get your thoughts and opinions on these shoes and show y'all that they indeed have some human races still on deck. So if you guys are in the Valley, in the Glendale area, come on out here to the Adidas store in the Glendale Galleria, and you might be able to get yourself a pair of these. You dig?
Mixtape trappers, and you're loving it.
Trap, work, grind, D you shine, nigga. Trap, work, grind.